Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can trade pullbacks by using Fibonacci retracements. So let's get started. I pulled up a chart of the Unity stocks, which is a Pakistani stock. First of all, what you're going to do by pullback, what you're going to do is you have to recognize the trend whether it's bullish or bearish. In bullish trends, it's the pullback will look something like this, right here, here, and this one also. In the bearish market, the pullback might look something like this right here. I will load it in the future in the history. Look something like this. So first of all, it's most important that you have to recognize the trend whether it's bullish or bearish. By recognizing the trend, you can also draw a trend line from the lowest and know how the market is doing. Draw it right here. As 2 points touch the same line, the trend line touches this trend line at two different level. It confirms that the market is bullish. It's a bullish trend, and it will remain bullish for if it touches a third point. It confirms more that it is bullish. So let's start with the first of all, let's start with this candlestick. uh, this when the market got to its highest high, this, as you can see, it formed a highest high, its all-time high of here, and got back down. How you going to know where this market will head? How will you know that where the market will go? How low will it form its lowest point? What will be the lowest point of the pullback? First, I'm going to show you another trick besides Fibonacci retracement, the support and the resistance level. As you can see, at some point it will form a support level. So you will have to go back to its history where it formed its resistance level. So in my case, the resistance lines are here. Let me draw a trend line right here. These 2 points are acting as a resistance level for this area, which then when the trend line broke this line, it acted as a support level, which you can see right here. It confirms that it is acting as a support level. This trend line again acted as a support level for these prices as well, which came down to this and then moved back up. So now I am going to be showing you how, in in the view of Fibonacci retracements. So click here and come down to this Fib retracement. Plot it right here at its lowest low and go back up to here. Plot it, and I'm not going to be plotting it here at this height. I will be covering these areas as highest highs. This is the 23% retracement level. This is the 38% retracement level. This is the 50%. This one is the 61% retracement, and this is the 78%. So now, how you're going to say how low will the pullback come? First of all, you have to recognize that if it's a pullback or not. When the candlesticks are coming down, you have to know that it is a pullback. And as these candlesticks come down, it crossed this 38 level and closed between these 38% retracement level and the 50% retracement level. Between these 2 points, the candlesticks closed right here. This was its lowest low. Also this candlestick also, but this one here, right, you can see right here, it closed right here, but again it pulled back up. So how you going to know as the candlesticks moved back up, so how you going to know where to buy the stocks? I'm going to show you how you can buy stocks right here in the pullbacks. because you don't know how low will the pullback come. So how you can buy the stocks right here? As you can see right here at this candlesticks, this one, the previous candlestick closed right here and it opened above that close right here. No matter it came down to here, but it opened right here and got back up to this point and also closed above this previous day's close right here. So you can if you want to trade in this area, it's also a good trade, but I would prefer trading it here, buying the stocks right here at this level, so it confirmed that it is now bullish. You can also do the same, you apply the same concept which we did in here. It opened above the previous day's close and also closed above the previous day's close, which shows that the market is bullish now. You can also know it from the RSI here. It was down here, but it rose and now it is still rising, showing that the market is bullish, and now it is still bullish. And I'm going to show you how you can sell short these positions, short the stock when it's going to a pullback. Eventually, I mean when the market is when the stock is in a pullback, it's coming down. How you can trade those pullbacks for better results. So if you want to trade a pullback, first recognize the pullback, where it is heading. So you can apply the concept which we apply here. It opened here and closed below the previous day's close. Also right here, I wouldn't trade here, I will trade right here. I will short the stocks right here at this level. You can see it clearly shows that the market is bearish, that the stock is that the stock is bearish. It opened right here and closed and came down here, but the bulls pushed it back up and closed this stock right here, which is a great sign that it is a pullback. And you can close that positions as it crosses this level. Before that, you have to place your stop loss and your take profit. I will explain the stop loss and the take profit in the future videos. By stop loss, I mean that if it goes up, the candlestick goes up, and you short those your position, you have to close that position at a certain place that is known as stop loss. And take profit, take profit is where it will head, so you can lock in your gains. I will place my take profits right here at the 38% retracement level and close my position. And again I will buy the stock right here, which I showed it to you earlier. So I will be showing you more concepts in the future videos. This was the Fibonacci retracements. You can use it for trading for better results and for also pullbacks, but first you have to recognize where the market is heading. It is a great tool for using in pullbacks and would help you give better results. Well, that's it for today. If you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock markets, all I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.